Hello, and today we're going to review our customers page. Our customers page is found on the left-hand menu under Manage and then Customers. So the customers page has a few different views. There's this all view where it shows you your total customers, which you can filter by type, whether or not you have favorites or whether or not you want to see them all. You can also check by their status. You can see who's very active, or a sleeper. You can also check out who are the big spenders and who has not spent anything. You can also see when their account was last created, as well as the device type that they're using. You'll notice there's a number of different entries on each page. I also have a manual search up here for the particular customer. At the top right, I can add an email integration so I can push customer information. A really good example here is I can select multiple customers and you'll see that I get the send for a push notification option. I can favorite them. I can export them to do with that data. I can also delete customers as needed. With that being said, let's dive into some of our more active clients and let's look at the last 6 months. So right now we see a lot of anonymous users, and that's okay. Let's take a look at the one here at the top. And you'll see this is the customer page. The customer page has a plethora of information in regards to their status, the device that they use, their birthday if they provided that, the number of times they have shared the app, their username or Twitter handle for Facebook and Twitter respectively, their Google username if they've used that to check into the app, how many loyalty redemptions they've had, how many comments they've left, how much revenue, which is tied directly to our reservation, food ordering, and merchandise features. For this particular stat, they will also be able to see how many push notifications have been received, the last time they used the app, and when their account was created. So again, this is very valuable information. Now, this customer data only fills out if the customer gives us that information. It is not anything that you can go in and edit. So from this little ellipse, which is our More button, you can send them a push notification, you can favorite them, you can export the details, or you can delete the customer at the smaller level. If I send them a push notification, the push notification prompt is the same as it would be any other time. The difference is that it doesn't give you any, you can't filter it by subscriptions or by people or by location because you're sending it only to one person. This comes really in handy when you want to award certain people or reward certain people for the amount of activity they have in the app or whatever else it may be. Now, I can easily navigate back to my customers page here and I can check out any more, but it looks like based upon the filters, I have 36 people who've been active within the last 6 months, which is really great. I'm going to go ahead and reset that filter, and there's my client list one more time. So with that being said, there's definitely a lot of information that you can glean from this customers page, and this should be the #1 place that your clients dive into to figure out what's going on in their application. Thank you so much for watching.